Hey, it's day 3 of summer of productiveness. Sorry about this. I can't get the framing right on any of my videos. Is that alright? I didn't even know. Hey, today I learnt half of Sum 41's In Too Deep on the bass. So I'm actually going to play that. Well, what I know of it. So yeah, I apologise for the crap quality, bad microphone, and I'm not actually very good because I'm just learning and teaching myself. So yeah, okay. Bam. Done. This took me ages to film. Okay, if this isn't good, then I'm putting it up anyway. So, okay. Thank you for watching. Hope you did good stuff with your day. Not that that was good. Bye.